Alright, let's see what else we got. Small package. Small package has good parts usually in them. Ooh, we got one of those. What is it? I don't know yet. Small. A gas tank badge. Fender trim. Something else. Circuit breaker gear. Oh, that's for a gear? Yeah, that's a lot for a gear. Ooh, genuine Harley. Brand new. That's nice. I'm not going to open that up. That's nice. That's pretty modern packaging there. I don't know what the hell, what year that was made, but I don't know what year they made that. You can see it's got like a nylon mylar material in here, but 70s and 80s and 60s they all had orange packaging on everything. At some point they couldn't get the good paper, so they used this and they stamped their name on it. I have no idea what year they made that. There's a circuit breaker drive gear. There it goes. Right here, I just happen to have a case lying over here. Right there. I got sitting in there. It's missing a gear. Look at that. It needs a gear. So you have a shaft, a housing, no washer, and no gear. There's a brand new gear. Boop. Make it work. I don't think so. Yeah, so we got junk cases laying around. And when your parts come in, you got parts to put them on. Make that complete down there, see? Alright, there's a gear. That wasn't much in that.